Hi, this is Clara for Blockchain of Things. In this tutorial, we'll create a flow containing the issue asset node. If you don't know what an issue asset node is, make sure you check out the previous video titled Understanding the Issue Asset Node. Let's begin. Drag and drop an issue asset node into the Node-RED workspace. Double-click it to display its Properties slide-out panel. On the Device drop-down field of the Properties slide-out panel, choose your Catenis virtual device. The virtual device is a configuration node containing the Catenis virtual device information. Add the node's configuration information based on your needs to each field of the Properties slide-out panel. Wire this node to a debug node and open the debug sidebar. Next, drag and drop an inject node to the Node-RED workspace. Wire the inject node to the issue asset node, then double-click the inject node to open its Properties slide-out panel. Alter the information in the inject node's Properties slide-out panel by selecting the drop-down payload field and choose the JSON type. An ellipse button will appear to the right of the field. Click this ellipse button to display a JSON edit box. Enter the JSON information you wish to pass as input to the Catenis node. For example, something like this, but using your own device ID. Don't have a device ID? You can generate one by following the tutorial found at this link. Now, click the Done button. Then click the Done button again to exit the Properties dialog box. Click the Deploy button. Now, let's test the flow. Click the button on the left of the inject node to send the input from the inject node through the flow. Boom! You've just issued your first digital asset on the blockchain. How will you use your newfound power? Tokenizing medical records? Logging music tracks? Memorializing millions of doges? The possibilities are endless. Now that you know how to create a flow using the issue asset node, it's time to move on to our next tutorial, where you'll learn all about the reissue asset node.